Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Alliance Resource Partners LP, and this stock has a history. And right now, if you're looking at this stock with a very sharp move, the stock has already recovered a substantial amount, and the levels which has just crossed are very important and which makes things quite interesting, because the way the stock is moving, and I would say already reactivated its previous range and moving towards the upper end of the range. So let us discuss about the price trend of Alliance Resource Partner LP. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now let us just focus on this line. If you are looking at this chart on a longer term basis, so what you have here in the past, or what you had here in the past, is like an head and shoulder pattern, as you can see, and then after there was a breakdown. So this was a technically negative pattern and a breakdown has happened. But right now, from the lows of 2020, this stock has already recovered by more than 480%. And because it is sustaining above 10.14, let's say 10.2 on the upside, so if it continues to do so, because the stock has already crossed 10.1 and it is trading currently at 15, so it's a substantial amount of move that the stock has already shown. So if it continues to do so, the levels which we are going to look at will definitely be on the higher side. But there is one more level which we are going to look at. This is going to be your immediate support, which is $14. Okay, you can use $14 as your immediate support, and if you do not want to take additional risk, then you can consider $14 as your stop loss as well. Otherwise, you will have your stop loss at $10. So please do not go below $10 on the downside. So if the stock continues to sustain above $14, we will have big targets on the upside, and these targets are, or this target will start with $22, then we have $25.9 or $26, then we have $29. So these are our first three primary targets for Alliance Resource Partners, and beyond 29.2 we have a 42.8 and we have 54.8. So these are the targets which we are actually focusing. But as you can see, there are segments. So right now you have the excess of three targets, which will start with $22 and can go up to $29. Only if the stock makes a move beyond $29, then we will talk about 40 and 54. So things will go like this. So because 54.8 or $55 is the biggest target, so we can't go beyond $55 until and unless the stock makes a move and sustain over $55. Now there is another way. So there is I would say an hypothesis. So if the stock goes beyond $55, what will happen? What will happen in that scenario? So for that, we have a trend like this. So in case the stock moves beyond $55, so this is completely conditional. In case the stock moves beyond $55, in the long term the target will expand and we have a big range which is in between $110 and $150 in the upcoming months and years. So this is how the overall setup looks like. So we will start with the first targets from 22 to 29, then we will talk about 43, then 55, and only if the stock moves beyond 55 and sustain above that, then the big range will open up, in which case the target will expand in between 110 and 150. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.